Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert image in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Excel and for example, I'm going to insert an image in this document. If you want to insert image, we can go to the insert menu right here and then you're going to select the illustration. Okay, in this illustration menu, we have some options, guys. And since we want to insert image, we can select pictures and you can choose insert picture from. You can choose either from your device, from your stock images or online pictures. And I'm just going to insert an image from my device. So I'm going to select this device and I'm going to choose this download folder. Then I'm going to go with this one. Click on insert and as you can see that the image has been inserted in this document and we can zoom in and zoom out like this. We'll be able to rotate the image if we want, just like this. If you want to rotate it, you can play around with this rotate option. You can also crop it. Go to the crop menu if you want to crop it, just like this guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert image in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.